Hi everybody, this is Becky with Delicious Boards. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over how to make two different types of pepperoni roses and two different styles of pepperoni river or ribbons. Let's get started. Okay, first we'll start with our pepperoni roses. So first we'll start with my favorite. It's definitely the most complicated, so let's start with that one. All you're going to do is you're going to take 3 pieces of pepperoni, and you can do this with salami as well. And you're going to layer them one on top of each other. And then you're going to slowly roll them up onto each other. And then you're going to have the start to a rose. Now you can leave it like it is, or you can continue around the sides to add more pieces to make a bigger flower. You can keep going to make it as big as you want, or you can stop, at just the first layer. Now you can put a toothpick in here to help it hold its shape. Now you have a beautiful flower, a beautiful pepperoni rose. I'm going to stick a toothpick through it. It'll help it hold its shape, and then when you put it on the board, you can just pull the toothpick out, okay? Now you can make it to be as big as this one. You just keep adding it, and then I put it in a cup to help it hold its shape, and then people can just pull pieces out from around it. Okay, so next we will make this pepperoni ribbon. Now you can make this as long as you want. You can turn it into a pepperoni river all the way across your board, which is really, really pretty. This is my favorite. And so that's how you do it. You just fold the 2 pieces into each other. Just fold this one into this one. And then I like to put it on a toothpick, and then it will hold its place. There you go. Usually I'll put a few different ones together, so it makes a nice big long pepperoni river. Next, we'll make this one. All you do is you take your pepperoni, you fold it in half, then you fold it again, and then you take the other piece and you turn it the other direction, and it makes this beautiful ribbon. I think it's going to go this direction together. There you go, and you can make this as long and as short as you want as well. So pretty. I just love it. Okay, and last but not least, we will do another rose. We're going to make another pepperoni rose. And again, you can do this with pepperoni, you can do this with salami. Any of these work with any of your sliced meat. Now what you want to do, the thinner the meat, the better. So it works really well with salami, but you really want to push the sides down the best that you can. So it will hold its shape. Just keep going. You just layer each piece around the glass. You just keep pushing down. This is a shot glass. You can use a wine glass if you want to. It just depends on how big you want the flower to be. You're going to do a second layer. So just keep layering and keep overlapping until you can't see the center anymore. This is definitely a little bit more of the amateur style rose, but it is just as beautiful as all the others. Okay, so we're going to stop there. You can keep going, but we can't really see the center anymore, so we are just going to stop right there. And then you pull it out, and voila, there's your beautiful pepperoni rose. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.